Hi, I'm Kali. I am a student here at Northland College, and I have been conducting a study on some really old rocks, around 3 billion year old rocks. And what I have here is a petrographic microscope, and I have taken a thin section, so I've cut off the rock here. Well, I haven't. I have sent it to a lab and have gotten a thin section which I can put under a microscope, and I'm able to shine light through the rock to get these wonderful images of the minerals that make up this rock. So right now I have a polarizer over the regular light. So light kind of circulates around as it goes through stuff. And when it enters something that is not air or vacuum, it refracts. So light entering something like this can suddenly, as it goes through, kind of shoot off in another direction, and depending on what you're shining light through. And the polarizer essentially forces light in only a certain in a certain orientation to go through. For example, if I come over here, this is really cool. I can see through, yes I can see through the polarizers here. That's because the polarizers are lined up like this. There are like lines, very tiny lines. But if I rotate it, I can block out some of the light, like that. And by putting one polarizer below, so the light down here is polarized going up through it, there's another polarizer that is perpendicular up here. So through any other point, the light would be totally blocked out. But if I put a mineral slide through there, so light comes through, hits this mineral and refracts around in it, so it bends, quote unquote, the light, and then that makes it go kind of funky, kind of wonky, and it changes the direction of it, so it can come through the second polarizer that otherwise would block out the light. These polarizers are usually used for mineral identification by just different attributes. For example, if I can find some garnet, here's some garnet right here. Garnet is in total extinction here. It likes to completely block out any light that comes through it. So if I take out one of the polarizers, and if I bump down the exposure, we can see that the light comes through it. But if I put it back, the light is blocked out.